homemade chicken taquitos. I'm going to use some of my beef tallow to fry the chicken taquitos in. Got our cute little low-carb tortillas and reduced fat cheese. And of course, here's our chicken, so I'm going to start putting it together. Going to stuff them to the max here. Can you tell I've never made these before? Lord help us. At least they're getting crispy. Come on. Come on now.